so I'm Shruti Chandra. I'm Vice President in West India under Ministry of Commerce and Industries, and I head the retail, e-commerce and consumer goods sectors at Invest India.
How is your experience for our show till now?
I think I must congratulate the organizers of Franchise India 2024. It's been a great experience. I thoroughly enjoyed the panel discussion I was on. Discussed a lot about how the retail sector, the e-commerce sector in India are booming, the consumer trends that we're seeing in India, and also how every segment in India is really growing. So there's so much opportunity, and I think this was very, very visible during today's event. 30 countries representing, so many brands and so many global brands wanting to come into India. So I think India really is a growth story, a success story, and I think it's the bottom of the hockey stick for us right now. We're only going to shoot off from it now.
What is the scope of franchisee industry in India?
I think there's so much opportunity because we have a very big consumer market in India. We will be a 6 trillion consumer economy by 2030. So there's so many brands that are wanting to come into India, and a lot of them want to test India out as well. So I think it gives them a great opportunity to enter India with a partner and also grow from there. So there's a lot of opportunity, and I would only encourage a lot of the brands that are watching this or are looking at India to really come to India and test it out.